Hello and welcome to Bart TV, the place to be to learn how to empower all areas of your life. In this week's episode of Bart TV, I would like to talk to you about the concept of opportunity cost. Perhaps if you have studied economics, finance or accounting, you have already heard about this. But just as opportunity cost is used in business, you can use this concept of opportunity cost in your life to make better decisions. So what exactly is an opportunity cost, I may hear you asking? Well, whenever you make a choice in your life, you have to make the choice based on limited resources. You know, we all have limited money, limited time, and limited energy. This means that if you choose to make choice A, you deplete your resources and you cannot make necessarily choice B. Therefore, you have to be really careful about what choice you're going to make. And this is called opportunity cost. When you make choice A, you cannot make choice B because of your limited resources. Whenever you make a choice, there are really only two types of choices that you can make. The first type of choice is an expanding choice. What does this mean? Well, whenever you take your money, your time and your energy, you create more. So you invest your money and it actually becomes more. Or you invest your time in something and that allows you to create more time for yourself. Or you use your energy and you actually get more energy as a result. The second type of choice that you can make is a contracting choice. With this, you actually deplete your resources. So you spend your money and you deplete your money. You don't actually create more, but you get less. Or you spend your energy and you don't get more energy back. You deplete your energy. Or you spend your time and you get less time back. Let me give you some examples because maybe you aren't relating yet to this concept of opportunity cost. So let's say that you have your weekend free for yourself and you make the decision to go out and party. So you go out and party all night, you spend a lot of time and also a lot of money on drinks and perhaps a couple of pills. I talk from experience. And that's a kind of contracting choice. Why? Well, first of all, you spend your money on alcohol and perhaps the pills. And secondly, how do you feel the next day? You don't feel that great, don't you? So you have less time to use the next day because you are probably in bed all day recovering and you also have less energy. So that's a contracting choice. With opportunity cost, it's not actually that when you spend something, that's the only result. No, opportunity cost is a double-edged sword. Let's give you an example so you can understand this principle. Let's say that you have your Monday off and you have the choice to work. But instead of working, you actually stay home and you decide to go shopping. So instead of earning some money that you can save and invest, you spend your money. So your opportunity cost is not just the cost of doing nothing, it's also the cost of losing out when you don't make a choice. So an opportunity cost is a double-edged sword. I'm not saying that don't have fun, don't go out, don't party. No, I'm saying that whenever you make a choice in your life, make a very conscious and aware choice. Make sure that you know the consequences of your decision. And I'm all about having fun and partying and enjoying yourself, but perhaps you can look after yourself better by drinking lots of water, by making sure that you go home on time. So you actually don't really make a contracting choice. You have fun, you enjoy yourself, while you also actually create more time and energy for yourself. So I really hope that this episode of Bart TV was useful to you and that you can use it to make more empowering choices in your life. Now I would love to hear from you. What's a choice that you have made in your life that you wasn't really happy with? A choice that had a really high opportunity cost, of something that you actually missed out of by making that choice. I would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments in the section below about the choice that you made. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button on this page. It's free and you'll be notified of new episodes of Bart TV. which I'm posting weekly. As always, thank you so much for watching Bart TV, and I'll see you next week in the next episode. Bye bye!